In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Shopify theme without losing customization or content. We'll walk through this carefully so you can safely move to a new theme version while keeping your design choices and store content intact. First, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand side, look for the option called Online Store and click it. At the top of this page, you'll see your current theme, which is the one that's live on your store. Before you do anything else, you need a backup. Click the 3 horizontal dots on your current theme, then choose Duplicate. Shopify will create a copy and name it something like Copy Of, followed by your theme name. This duplicate is your safety net in case anything goes wrong. Next, you'll need to add the updated version of your theme. If your theme came as a zip file from a developer or marketplace, go to the top right of the themes page and click Import Theme. Choose Upload Zip File, then select and upload the new theme zip from your computer. Shopify will add it to your theme library below your live theme. If your theme is from the Shopify theme store instead, scroll down to the bottom of the themes page. On the lower left, you'll see a card that says something like Explore More Themes, along with a button to visit the theme store. Click that to open the Shopify theme store. In the theme store, go to the top right and click the search icon. A search bar will appear. Type the name of your theme, then select it from the search results. On your themes page, if an updated version is available, you may see a note like Update Available. To add that updated version to your store, look toward the bottom right and click the button that says something like Add to Theme Library or Add New Copy, depending on how it's worded in your account. Shopify will then take you back to your theme library. The new version is now installed, but it does not replace your live theme automatically, and your content and settings are not automatically transferred. This part is manual. Open your old theme and your new theme side by side in separate tabs. Go through the theme editor and reapply your settings. Things like colors, typography, header and footer layout, and homepage sections. If you have any custom code in your old theme, such as modifications in the theme editor or custom sections, carefully copy that over to the new theme where appropriate. Also check any apps that integrate with your theme and reconnect or reconfigure them if necessary so they appear correctly in the new version. Take your time to click through your store in the preview of the new theme. Homepage, product pages, collection pages, cart, and any special pages you use. Once you're happy that everything looks right and works as expected, go to the top right of the new theme editor and click Save. After it finishes saving, click Publish in the same area. Confirm when Shopify asks you if you want to publish this theme. At this point, your updated theme goes live with your recreated settings, while your original duplicated backup still sits safely in your library in case you ever need to roll back.